Hey everyone, John here with How to Film Weddings, and I'm going to talk to you today about one thing that I do that helps me out at every single wedding. It's really easy to do. I email myself the timeline, I take a screenshot of it, and then I just set it as the home screen of my phone. It makes it really easy throughout the day to just click a button, be able to see the background of my phone, see exactly where I'm at in the day, and saves me a ton of time. I used to print out the timeline on paper, have it in my pocket, have to open it up, try to look through. It really just wastes 5 to 10 seconds every time. It gets me out of my flow, and most of the time I would end up not even looking at it the whole day and just trying to remember. But when it's on your phone, you can just click over real quick, look at it, right back to the couple, and you know exactly where you are. I would definitely try it at the next wedding that you're at. It'll save you a ton of time, and you'll just be wondering why in the world you haven't been doing this forever. So if this video was helpful to you, go ahead and subscribe, share it with anybody that you might think it would be helpful to, and we'll see you guys in the next video.